Forex is all about entry. You might have the best strategy, you might have the best, analysis, but if your entry strategy is poor, trust me, you will definitely not get money from the market. A lot of Forex traders believe in probably watching too many videos on the internet, looking for strategy or the rest, but they don't even have time to see how perfect they can build their entry strategy. One thing that took me a lot of time to go understand in the forex market is entry. All right, most of the time I can analyze a particular trade perfectly well. All right, just for me to go in for a buy, then the market will just take me out. And I'm sure you've also experienced such things that you're seeing a buy, and the moment you enter for a buy, the market sell. Right? Why is it so? And sometimes the market will even sell before going into your direction. Right? How then do you attack these issues? This video will explain to you how best you should mark up your entry strategy, so that in 2025 you will make more profit than losses. So stick around. Should in case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gordon Trade. I show up here daily, weekly to help you become profitable with my forex knowledge. All right, so having said all this, let me share my screen and show you the live trade that is currently happening right now, and I'm patiently waiting for my entry strategy to play out, then I go all in. This strategy is 90 to 95% win rate strategy, and once you're able to grab it, trust me, and apply it to your trading techniques, it's going to help you out. All right, let's go. Let me share my screen. All right, so this is GBPUSD. All right, I'm sure you can see this chart. I took profit from this trade yesterday. This was a trade I took yesterday, and I now discovered that this morning I come on my chart trying to see what is market happening, what's going to happen in the market today. Are we going for a buy or sell? And if you notice, GBPUSD have been on the sell. If you notice, GBPUSD have been on the sell for quite a while now, right? But even though when you know that the market is actually on a sell, how do you enter your trade, right? That is one of the things that a lot of forex traders don't understand. Despite the fact that you know the direction of the market, of the trend, does not mean that you know how to enter. So how to go in is key, right? Now I'll be sharing this with you. This is one of the premium information I share with my students in the Inner Circle Academy, the G-Trade Forex Academy. So in case you're not there, the link to join us is in the video description, all right, where you can learn how to refine your entry and get it right once and for all. Now, when you look at this particular chart now, what I'm seeing here now, I'm seeing a symmetric triangle, right? This is a symmetric triangle where you have, all right, price giving you of equal highs and equal lows, all right? So you can see price came all the way from this way and, all right, started building this pattern in the market. So once you see a pattern like this, you want to know how to go in, right? In so many textbooks, they'll tell you when the market break above, you buy, all right? And when the market breaks below, you sell, right? That is where it stops. But they will not tell you how do you enter, right? You might buy and the market will still take you out. On that same buy, still go into your direction. Did you see that? So how do you go in for a buy? Now listen to this. The moment the market break below, this low is higher than this one, so this is the higher low. So this is the recent higher low, right? This is where lower high, right? Did you see that? Now you want to draw the support on this word higher low, and if the market breaks above, you want to draw a resistance on the what, a lower high, right? So if the price break below this higher low, I'll be waiting for a retest of this word support, right? So that I can have a resistance to sell. Because what you do, you sell at a resistance, you buy at a support. Now, if this price break above this particular resistance here, I will be going in for a buy once it come back as a retest to it. Simple, right? Did you see that? So that is what I'm expecting this to happen, right? If you look at this trade, this particular markup, right? This is happening currently right now, and I'm going to show you the end results. Right now, what I just marked, this is on the 1 hour time frame. You will see that we have this what, lower high here, right? And I mark my support, right? The moment the market, if the price breaks below this support, then I will be going in for a sell, right? Once it breaks it, I will wait for a retest of that support to go in for a sell. Now, if the market do not do all this, I'm not ready to sell. Why? Because if the market breaks below this what's it called now, trend line, if you break out of this trend line, is not a prerequisite for me to sell. It may break above, below it, and come on this support and go up. Did you see that? Because here, what you have here right now, you are having a new double bottom. Yeah, did you see that? Did you see that? And sometimes the market may just take you out, get to this particular resistance, and sell. Then you will say the market makers are after you, right? No. So you need to know how to go in on the trade. These are the things you don't usually see on YouTube or Facebook. If you are that type of person who just believe you can learn Forex by yourself, or definitely you can, be your own particular boss without having a mentor. All right, but you would have lost a lot of money before you come to this realization. So this will help you save thousands of dollars, right? Now, what will happen now is that if the market breaks below this particular resistance, the support, then I'll be going in, right, for a sell. All right, there are other confluences that I also use to attack this trade before actually going in for a sell, but that is for my private students who will be, who want premium ideas like this. But for this purpose, this is a free content. Just get in here, right? And with this, let's measure our take profit. You can see from here to this level is over 48 pips. Did you see that? So a patient trader, we always get money in the market, right? Now this is GBPUSD. Let me show you what I have on EURUSD. All right, if you look at EURUSD right now, you will see that I have similar thing, right? Now I don't always just go in on a trade, right? I don't always just go in on a trade. What I'd like to do, I like to see what the market is saying. Okay, so right now if you look at it, right, I called this trade out yesterday. All right, I took a sell from here. All right, and the market didn't have a lot of volatility yesterday, so it had been ranging on top of this support. So this morning I saw that we have this support that the market is ranging. Now the fact that we have broke below this support does not mean I should actually go and sell, right? No, you just have to still confirm, because we are still on this trade. The fact that the market is below this support does not mean it will continue selling. Right now it's forming another support here, so you can from here and push up, you're going to be out. So I just mark up this particular one here so that this is what I won't be seeing. Once the market break below the support, I will be entering more positions to my trade. But right now I just on one position already on this particular one. And remember, this is December. You don't have to push the market so much. So once I see a break below of this support, I will be ready to sell, right? And if I did not see, then I'm not selling. Did you see that? And where will I be ready to go for buy? I can't buy except if price break above this resistance, right? Because the price have to break above resistance, come back on it as a support, give me some confirmation here, all right, before actually going in for a buy. And this confirmation, my students in the inner circle, they understand what we're looking at for on a support base, on a support zone before we actually go in for a buy, or on a resistance before we actually go in for a sell, right? So this is one of the entry strategy that has helped me out to make money on the Forex market, so that to stay away from fake out or breakout and market makers taking you out before price moving in your direction, right? So if you find value in this video, you know what to do. Make sure you're liking and you're following us, so that by the time I drop good content like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. All right, so have a nice day. See you later.